தொழில் செய்தால் என்ன செய்யும் தொழில் தெய்வம் என்று வட்டுக்கோட்டை பாட்டில் சொன்னானே. சக்தி எல்லாம் ஒன்று சேர்ந்தாரே சொர்க்கம் வரும் இந்த மண் மேலே.
Students, now see the topic, the workers around us and their tools. They hold various jobs and positions in society. Some people are daily wages, some people are farmers, some people are masons, some people are carpenter, some are doctors, some are engineers, some are teachers, some are lawyers, and so on works. I could go on and on about a lot more. It's the same in Mathiyakudi village. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's come back. Now, let's see the activities. Are you ready?
Ready, sir. My name is Asmi. I am a policeman. I wear khaki uniform. My job is to protect the people. I love my country very much. Thank you. I am Gali Descent. I am here for my life. Very simple. I grow football. Thank you. I am Melissa. I am a dancer. My hobby is dancing. I love dancing so much. Dancing is exercise for my body. Dancing relax my mind. Thank you. I am Margaret Wilson. I am an electrician. I am work with electrical system and lighting system. Thank you. Thank you. I am Kirti Kumar. I am a chef. I am work in the kitchen. I am expert in cooking. I am cooking variety of tasty. Thank you. I am Jiti Saran. I am a plumber. A plumber is a skilled trained person. Plumber tools repair. Maintenance plumbing system. Thank you. I am Yunamili. I am a teacher. Teacher teach all subjects. Love teaching. Thank you. I am Sarishka. I am a doctor. I use stethoscope. I treat sick people. I work in the hospital. Thank you. I am Rajita. I am a painter. I am an artist. I have used brushes and color. I create beautiful pictures. Thank you. I am Rasika. I am a tailor. My occupation is making, mending, altering. Yes, altering cloth, especially suits, coat, and other outer garments. Thank you. I am Arish. I am a postman. I am a work in the post office. I wear a khaki uniform. Postman is a public servant. The postman delivery letters daily. Thank you.